Good morning from Coach Dom. I got a before work hustle load here. Just driving back and forth to work. People call me to pick stuff up. Easy peasy, be safe. You notice the loads are strapped down. Let's go see how we do. Have a great morning. We got weighed. The mountain of steel got moved. Wait, they're building another small one over here. Let's go dump it and find out. Wow. We're here, now we get to dump it. We got a spot. Let's go to work. Looking good. Oh man. We're done. Let's go get paid. Lord. Everything gets scrapped. All right, live from my office. So this little bit of work, 920 total pounds. I think the price is a little less than last time, $170 per gross ton. And because I'm a science teacher, that's 2,240 pounds. And that came out to a cool before work, $69. Nothing but the hustle. But got to be careful. We'll talk more about this. I showed this the last time, but this is the Alameda corridor down to LA Harbor. And man, Christmas is coming and these containers are probably full with goodies for us. So for my people that aren't from Los Angeles, this is what we see every day. And this is a big part of our economy down here is all this stuff. And this is just, I'm driving to work now. Good morning, I made it to work, got paid. Listen, any business you do, service you provide, you got to be willing to go at different hours to do it. That's going to get you to your finish line and make opportunities. Opportunities that you did not have will appear. Also, when people start to know what type of service or product you provide, the more you get that out there and share that with people, the opportunities will come to you. You can't be shy about it. Again, I make these videos to share with the kids, a hustle, not too shabby. Right side up, upside down, it don't matter. Get out there and hustle. Be careful. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Appreciate all the support and love in my community, and thanks for calling.